Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I will post short videos about video effects are created using Davinci Resolve. And today I'm gonna show you how to create glass text effect. Looks like this. So let's dive in. First of all, you need to drag any video to your timeline and go to the Fusion page. So now let's add some text. You can drag text node from here, or you can press Shift Space to open Select Tool window. So let's type any text, for example, glass text. Then you can select any font you want. So, and let's show text node in the left viewer. I would increase text size. So then let's add displace node. Press Shift Space and type displace. Now just connect text node to green input in displace node. So now set keyframes on the 0 frame for refraction rate, light power, and spread parameters. So now set spread parameter as much as possible, for example 20. Then let's go to the, for example, 80 frame and let's increase a little bit refraction rate, light power. You can increase light power, for example 2.1, and decrease spread, for example like this, 0.17. So now you can play your animation. As you can see, text reveals perfect. But we can make this animation much better. Open Spline Editor. Let's check all parameters and press Zoom to Fit. Select all checkpoints and press S on your keyboard. It makes your animation more smooth. You can close Spline Editor and go to Edit page and check your animation. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.